Good morning, students. How are you? I think you all are well. We are passing through a pandemic situation, the whole world is affected by it. So our classes are now going on through electronic device, that is net. Now we have, you have been given the assignment, third assignment on Kartik Paramanik. The topic is Kartik Paramanik is an inspiration for us. Do you agree? Why or why not? I think all of you will be agreed with the title that Kartik Paramanik is an inspiration for us. You know that in the text we have seen that Kartik Paramanik is a hairdresser or barber, but he was a nature lover. He used to plant trees when he was a young man. Now he is 63 years old, and some of his trees are 40 to 45 years old. He was very poor, but he loved nature and trees. He used to go to the marketplace, beside the road, on the highways, and planted saplings. Sometimes he took one or two day laborers with him and planted trees. He took some light food or dry food and used to work all the day to plant trees. Sometimes at dead of night he went to his trees and watered them. People would say, "Kartik, are you mad? Why are you so late at night?" Kartik said that, "What to do, sir? I don't get time at day, so I have come at night." In this way, he used to take care of his plants. Now his plants are very big. He is doing this job for more than 50 years. Now his trees are very big and they are giving shelter, shade, furniture and many other things. Moreover, trees help us in many ways. You know that we need oxygen, which trees give us. So, trees are very useful for us. Kartik realized this truth and used to plant trees. Sometimes when he used to go to his professional work, he used to take rest, but there was no trees under which he could take rest. So he realized that we need trees for shade and began to plant trees. Like Kartik, we should love trees and plant more trees, because if there is no tree, our country will face a great crisis. Our country will turn into a desert, which will be a destruction for the whole world. You know that the world temperature is getting day by day, and one day the country will face a great crisis. The lower southern part is under threat to get drowned. Moreover, the poles, south poles and north poles, the ice are melting and sea level will rise. This problem can be solved by planting trees. Like Kartik, we should plant trees more and more beside our home, on the two sides of the highways, in the marketplace, in our schools and colleges. Wherever we find a space, we should plant trees, because without trees we will not be able to lead a good life a healthy life. Trees are our best friends. If we cut one tree, we must plant 2 trees. Not only that, we should nourish them, we should take care of them so that this little sapling can be a gigantic tree one day. Realizing this truth, Karthik also started planting trees in his young age. Now he is 63 years old, but he is going on this noble act. So I think that Karthik is an inspiration for us. Like Karthik, all the people should come forward and plant trees more and more so that the country becomes greener and our environment can be free from environment pollution, and natural calamities will be faced if there are more trees. You know that many cyclones and like Cedar Amphan have been protected because we have a great boundary line to the southern part of our country, that is Sundarban. And there are a lot of trees which has protected us from these natural calamities. So we should plant more and more trees and make our country a greener, a beautiful Bangladesh. I hope that you will realize this truth and start planting trees wherever there is a scope. So thank you. You will try to write down the assignment with your own words and submit our fixed date. Thank you everybody.